So it also brings in down operational challenges. It's impossible, especially in service businesses, to go and micromanage businesses directly. This was my argument when I did a project with Mukesh Ambani. He's a rich man. Everybody now sees his family wedding, entire thing. I sometimes get surprised the kind of wealth and power he has. But my argument with him was, I cannot go back to him and say, you can raise capital. That can never be argument with him. I can also not do an argument with him rapid penetration, because anything you write on the paper and present to him, he will multiply by 5. So that also cannot be argument. My argument with him was only this. I said, Mr. Ambani, you can be the richest man in the world, right? But if your guy sitting in Amritsar doesn't want to continue and work with you, he will not even return the keys of the store. You might be the richest man, but he was an entrepreneur who's put his 30 lakh rupees. Whatever might happen, he will come down to the store. So operationally, franchising brings in a strong entrepreneurial partner who has a vested interest to make it happen, which direct employment cannot bring in, especially in a small format where you don't have multiple hierarchies. So operational challenge is one of the reasons why companies franchise, because they cannot manage cross-border, cross-structure, different markets, different stage, different languages. They cannot manage operational challenges. So if you want to reduce operational challenges, they need to bring franchising.